What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications here on your iPhone device so you do not get any more notifications on your phone whenever you get a text, an email, a call. And I'm also going to show you how you can customize that. For example, if you do not wish to get a specific type of notification and simply get the other ones, I'm going to show you how to filter it here in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, we're gonna first hop into settings real quick. Next up, we're gonna scroll down all the way to notifications down here within the third stack of settings in your settings. Hop into notifications, and then in here you do have the type of notifications. For example, you want it to display as a count down here saying that, hey, you only have 1 or 2 notifications. It won't display the notification, but it's gonna let you know how many notifications you have. Then this is ideal. If you want it to be stacked or combined all like one on top of the other, you can go with stack. Now, if you want them to be separated every time, always keep on list, and they're gonna simply come one on top of the other one in a stack. Okay, now you do have here, if you scroll down, the option to actually deactivate a few apps. For example, if you don't want to get notifications from Airbnb, simply tap on Airbnb and disable notifications. You can simply tap in here, you won't get any notification from Airbnb. For example, if you don't want to get notifications from WhatsApp, you can simply scroll down all the way to W. Here we go. Turn it off. You won't get any notification from WhatsApp. If you don't want to get call notifications, for example, just go all the way to phone, turn it off. This is how it goes. If you don't want to get iMessage or messages, simply hop into messages, turn it off. Same thing if it's Instagram, turn it off, and that's how easily you can turn off notifications here on your phone. I hope you found this video useful, and if it really helped you out, consider subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.